If you have a struggling woodworking business, this is probably the second thing that you need to change, and that is your sales process. I see a lot of guys that have a really clunky sales process. What I mean by that is that let's say that you do get an opportunity to sell somebody. Well, you go and you work on a quote for 2 or 3 days before you get back to the client. Speed to money is so important. When you get an opportunity to close a deal, you need to get them a quote as quickly as you can. Once they agree to your quote, you need to get the cash as quickly as you can. So you need to convert that quote or that estimate into an invoice. You need to send them that invoice and get payment immediately.